Friends, we have Samiksha Bhatnagar. She has already played the role of Ma Sita in Ramlila, which is the international Ramlila today in Delhi
Yes.
on the national stage.
Yes.
तो वेलकम है, आपका स्वागत है. ये अभी जो रोल आप कर रहे हैं, दिस इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल विच
Absolutely.
यू आर परफॉर्मिंग विद सुबोध जी.
Yeah.
एंड आपको ये रोल में क्या ऑडिशन आपका हुआ? दैट वाज
It was very coincidence that शरद जी कॉल मतलब मैंने सीता माँ का किरदार निभाया. इसके अलावा भी मैंने काफ़ी फिल्में की हैं. तो लोग कहीं ना कहीं लोग एक दूसरे को रेकमेंड कर देते हैं कि तो शरद जी ने भी किसी से बात किया होगा कि मुझे इस तरीके का किरदार किया, तो किसी ने मेरा नाम किया होगा रेकमेंड. तो उनका कॉल आया तो उन्होंने बोला समीक्षा हम ऐसी फिल्म बना रहे हैं बाबा नीम करोली महाराज की और सिद्धि माकरे में आपको. मैंने ना उनसे आगे पूछा ना पूछा, मैंने कहा येस आई एम डूइंग दिस फिल्म क्योंकि मैं नीम करोली बाबा की बचपन से ही भक्त हूँ, हनुमान जी की बचपन से भक्त हूँ. तो उनका नाम ही आना मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है, बहुत बड़ा आशीर्वाद है. तो जैसे ही मेरे पास आया आई सेड येस एंड आई सेड दैट आई एम डूइंग दिस फिल्म, प्लीज़ गो अहेड.
wonderful. We would like to know more about your journey into the films and in theatre. Where did the journey start? Where were you born? And
Yeah, so basically I born and brought up in Rishikesh.
Rishikesh?
Yes, and Uttarakhand से. और then I went to Delhi. I'm a classical dancer, Kathak dancer. So I used to run my academy in Delhi. But
Really?
yeah.
What name and where was this?
So I was a teacher in Scottish High International. It's in Gurgaon. And then from there, everything was good. I was earning well. My life is very good. But then I always wanted to become an actor. So I just thought कि चलो एक बार मुंबई चलें, let's try my destiny. I mean, let's just try. By the end of the life, you should not regret that आपको ये नहीं
Which
किया
year
है.
did you land in Bombay?
So I just went without knowing anybody, and then I started giving auditions. And God was so kind, so kind. My journey started with Veera, Star Plus. Then I did few more shows, and then automatically I got a offer for Poster Boys, which was opposite Bobby Deol. So filmy career वहाँ से शुरू हो गया, and then I received Best Actress Award in हमने गांधी को मार दिया, critically acclaimed film. Then अभी recently Amazon पे है, MX Amazon पे है धारावी बैंक. I'm opposite Vivek Oberoi.
I've seen part of it,
Yeah.
but I don't have the subscription, so I'm not
Yes.
able to watch the next part.
Yeah. So it's a wonderful series you must watch, and there are few more films which I'm expected this year, with
Okay.
except महाराज जी की फिल्म. उसके अलावा मेरी 2-3 फिल्में और हैं जो मुझे लगता है रिलीज होंगी.
So where do you see 10 years from now? Where would you be, Samiksha? 10 years from
Samiksha
now.
only believes in today's time.
Okay.
It's right now.
Like you want to
आज का पल.
settle and you want to, move to the west. Because a lot of stars,
Yeah.
what we've seen, we've grown up, we've seen the women, the female, the lead and all. So they want to get settled abroad. ऐसा कुछ आपका? Who's your
मैं
idol in the
So I always liked Priyanka Chopra.
प्रियंका में वो बोल रहे थे ना, चुप वैसे भी कम्फर्टेबल.
I loved her.
Yes.
Also, I like Kangana Ranaut.
Yes.
They are bindas by nature, and they are fabulous actors.
Those used to see Tanu as Manu.
Yeah, they're fantastic, fantastic. So yeah, I mean, see, I don't know where will I be, but of course, what I know that I want to do good work, and जो भी मैं काम करूँ, लोग मुझे पसंद करें, प्यार करें. आज तक भी किया है, आगे भी करेंगे. And yes, I'm growing in life.
And
God
you
is
want
very
to be
kind.
a women entrepreneur? Because most of the women ultimately land up, they have to do
Yes,
some business.
yeah, I have this
Whoever
in my
it is.
mind.
Yes.
I have this, and it's already थोड़ा सा नींव उसका पड़ गया है.
Okay, lovely.
So
You don't want to talk about it.
yeah, I don't want to talk about it.
No, no, it's
It's
good,
too
it's
early
cool.
to talk about it.
So I think we just ended at this. So Samiksha को आप देखिए 24th April को. If there's going to be a press screening, maybe we're all
Yes,
sitting together.
of course, yes.
And the audience, the viewers want to see you. So what's your Instagram handle? I think they follow
Yes,
you, but still you
yeah,
can tell us.
yes. My Instagram handle is @Samiksha Bhatna1.
Okay, wonderful.
So you can follow for more information, and उससे भी ज़्यादा important है कि आप लोग 24 को ये फिल्म देखें और आपका बहुत सारा प्यार हमें दें.
I remember जब आप उसमें रामलीला में दिल्ली में थे, so some friends of mine who are ardent Ramlila fans. So they were sharing me your pictures.
Okay.
You know, I'm not much into film. I've done theatre.
Yeah.
तो उनका था कि वो I'm sharing his pictures. तो picture को रोल मिला है. I said what? You know, I said anybody can do it.
Yes, yes, of
Any
course,
role.
of course, of
So
course.
wishing you all the best.
Thank you so
And
much.
पार्ट 1 में तो है ही मैम.
पार्ट 2 में भी है, पार्ट 2 में बल्कि और ज़्यादा है.
कुछ उसका हो चुका है.
हाँ, मतलब उसकी शूट भी हो चुकी है ना. शुरू नहीं हो ही चुकी है ऑलमोस्ट.
perfect.
सम पैच वर्क इज लेफ्ट, सो वो भी हो जाएगा एंड देन वो भी इसके बाद जल्दी ही रिलीज होगी.
So please share your comments and whatever questions you have for her. Thank you. Namaskar.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you, ma'am.